1, 2, 3, 4. Do apologise. I forgot to switch the bloody record again. The time. Oh, so I'll start again. So I've just shown you the actual console itself, the starts, and I'm now looking on my TX admin, and I'll say welcome to Adrian McMaster Gaming. So I'll be working a little bit on my FiveM demo server. That's all it is for me, just a hobby. So I'm looking, well, live console. That's what you have. Resources, it tells you what started up and what hasn't. So vehicles, which I haven't got started up, and a few Y maps are started up. Oh, FiveM, I thought I hadn't. So I've got a few Y maps. A lot of the all the Y maps are old. It's before Tebex. So I've had people asking about Gab's MR, what's it called? MR Mission Rail Police Station. One that I've got. It's before Tebex came along. So that's why if I go into my the account where the licenses are, nothing will show on there. There used to be, but I gave that away to somebody else in America, all that stuff. That was like other stuff I had. So the stuff that I've still got is what I've had on me on a backup drive for a long time, and it's old stuff, and it's still working, funny enough, a lot of it. Some stuff's like more new stuff that I've got free off the M5 mods and all that, which I keep looking on. Because I'm just reluctant to pay. I'm just seeing what's free and what works, what doesn't. It's to help you, and if it works and it's open source, it'll go. Naughty Mike. It'll go into my downloads folder, which is on my website, I think. When the website opens, come on, there we are. There, so we've got. There it is. It's directly, like a direct download from the server, from the actual folder, so there'll be no timeouts. If you remember last year or the year before, it kept bloody timing out of big folders. That wasn't due to my server. I tried everything. It was due to something within the website that I was using. So I don't use that particular system anymore. It's on the other websites. So if you can see something moving behind me, I think you can. Yeah, you can there. Fair. Oh no, there, that way, there. You touch her, she goes. She's like she's sleeping. You touch her, she goes. Oh, Moggy, see, doesn't like being disturbed. I can't disturb her, but she can disturb me when I'm asleep. Typical Moggy. So go dashboard. Oh, there was new things showing. Admin. Yeah. So I thought I whitelisted myself. Am I? Yeah. So let me double check this one. I'll put this behind on my top monitor. Alright, that, and then I need to keep an eye on OBS so I can see the chat. So while I'm live and the video's still live, you can use the live chat. If I'm not live and you're watching it playing back, obviously you can't use the chat, so just you can ask a question. I may not always because I can't do things like this. It's impossible. I've got to look at the bottom screen, so I won't always see stuff appearing on the top. So you have to wait. Plus, I can't remember. Is it a 27-second delay or 17-second delay between me and the thing? So just bear with me. I'm going to go into the server, double check something because I haven't for quite a while. But some stuff I can still remember. Some stuff I can't. It's awkward. Hopefully, yeah, you can hear me okay with the mic. What's that? Go local. Oh, so there's no whitelist. I thought there was. Well, it doesn't really matter because the server's it's always running. When I aren't watching it, it's offline. I've noticed they've changed something on the other thing. They've removed certain things. It's a good demo. I've been looking for another, what they call this, the spawn screen or something, and another multi-character thing screen, but the free ones but they're a bit naff, and I don't see the problem as paying for them. It's pointless because it's not going to be a server, a public server, so pointless paying for stuff for myself, isn't it? So last location, which is where I should be, somewhere by, I can't remember. Oh, there. Now I think it's the bridge running, which will be Belgrade. Is it there? Around here somewhere. That was what I was testing at yesterday. So we go. Was it /TPM? I try to remember the commands. Is it? Where are we? Just give me a minute or two. I can't remember. I don't think it is running because is this where the bridge is, or is it further up? I know it's somewhere here, isn't it? It's here, isn't it, somewhere? Let me have a look on my TX. Eeny, meeny, miny. There it is. TX admin. So if I do that, resources, through badge pack, NY maps pixel should be running via the K, you know, thing. Right, you can beat like if you will. It is running, it's there, KL bridge. It's there, look here. There's only one problem. They're going to say it on the map, and I know. Oh, is it there? Actually, it is somewhere here, isn't it? Because it goes across, it joins up, if I remember. So this is like a colour map thing I've got for the KO thing, which is pretty good. It's an IPL I use for the KO, and I haven't got the shops and all that on there, no, because you can't run. Well, you could run them both, but you can have. It might be too much. I wouldn't exactly know. So let me figure out what's going on. There's another way to find out where the bridge is, isn't there? So, shut up. There. Oh, it's there, look. There it is. There's something I've been coming away. Use motorbike, so you're going full throttle and the bloody things are burning out, or I want to find out how I can disable that. It's annoying. So I've got, what's that? So I found this on a free download, claiming to be a certain person that created it. Not, it is not a certain person. There, so I've double checked the bridge, you know, that make sure there's no bad collisions or anything, or invisible things. I'd like to know what that why there's snow there coming down. Can't figure that one out. Yeah, believe it or not, I'm nowhere near it. Now, if the Y map suddenly failed, well, it's a long way down in the water. That would be funny, wouldn't it? You got off, and your role play half a dozen people on the bridge, and the map failed. And you can't get the cars with the sink down to the bottom. Oh. I can't remember if this is this where the deep part of it is. Oh, there's a thing there that makes you slow you down. I never touched you. So you can see that the bridge is working okay. Let me. What happened then? What to do? Shift out of the way, and I'm going to come out of that, and I'm going to go F8. That's all I want to do. Quit. There. That's what I wanted to do. So what we do now is we go to file location. What we need to do first. AMG file. Oh, what's that old? No, nothing in that one. There's another file I want to check, which I don't. Not got a clue if it will work, because it is released. I can't remember when Gab file released the car dealer near Legion Square. So I know it's somewhere between. I think it's a month or two, is it just before Tebet's come along? I don't exactly know. So let's see what's running. So what we got? Right. Oh, wrong one. There. So I need to put in. Need to make an adjustment to the folder. So if I look at the custom, that's what I'm after. So we've got Carlisle and scripts and one. And we put E and CO. What if I want to do them? IPLs. It's a thing I've got that adds interiors to the list of the IPLs. Or props, I think it is. So I want ensure the vehicles, Y maps, nothing in test content, is there? Now you can't do a folder called test because it'll interfere with something that's in the CFX folder, which is this one. There's a folder called there it is. It interferes with what's in there. So what I done is I just put where have I put it? Custom content and then test content. So that's where I drop stuff in. So we've got test. So what I want is where is it now? I think there's something. Open new window. FiveM. Zips. Extracted. Mega. No. I've been having a look at some car packs and forts. I can't use them due to the thing. And I've got the Z model for where you see me attempt to try to roll them. So that rigmarole. Not vehicles, Y maps I want. So I want Gabs. Shoot, is it in there? Gabs Casino, Gabs Prison, MRP Depot, Gabs. No, it doesn't. I don't want the hub because that would interfere with. It interferes with something, doesn't it? No pixel. I've had this such a long time. Gabs. Polito, no, it didn't go. East Coast, I had that a long time. Plume dealership, I can't remember where that is. Primo Legion. I might have to remove a thing from Legion because it's got a branded thing on. Because I have asked the CFX group and they say you cannot use out even for private use. It's a bit of a pain in the butt, really. That's right. Got a load of them in here. PDZ, mirror, pillbox, peasy, bub. Where are you? PDM, is that it? Yeah, that's it, isn't it? The one I'm after. So what we'll do, I'll place that so I know where to look. Shift the microphone over there a bit, out of the way on my side. Gubs, and that'll go. No. It's the Premium Deluxe Motorsport, is that what it's called? The one near Legion. I just tried to remember what that jacket was. There it is. Just want to see if it still works, because I've got absolutely no idea if it will or not. So we'll put that in there, and what we'll do is reboot server. What's that? That's big. So we're going to have to sort out there the client script. That's because whatever is being used in car parks, it's just, they aren't there. Could not find. So, oh. Right, save as started. So let's go FiveM. Now again, be looking for a loading screen, so it's different to this. And have a look and see what's out there and into that web. I don't know if they've see, I don't know if they're still free or what they are. Right then. Let's see, what I want to do is teleport to, where are you? Where is it? So you got, it's actually the square area, isn't it? It's going to be, that's your car deal there. I think I've just teleported. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. Something I do see is a glass window in the way. You can see part of the original there. Why? What? And right, so I thought it's either it's not working properly, or with updates have happened to the game, or is this, or is it what I'm seeing part? Is this supposed, this barrier that's around the thing, is it supposed to be glass? Ooh. Is that supposed to be glass that I'm seeing there, or it look horrible, doesn't it? I just don't like it at all.
Ouch! Shit, fine then.
So, would it be an IPL? Yeah, well, so let me have a look at the files for that. So, see, there's that much change within the actual FiveM. It's like, since I last used, probably have been now look at the RPL if it makes sure nothing's interfering. Great FIB, also this lot. Right, okay. Yeah, Clubhouse. I'm just double checking what's been added there. It's props for. I want to make sure it's not anything that's the same as what's in the main one, because you'll get a conflict like trying to overwrite one of the yacht. That's that. So you come back, click this so I can hear myself think. So I'm seeing yacht. What's the RPL list? Readers. What's the read me? Cache forgery place. So I need to compare this against the main, the one that's supplied with the QBCore, the Bob 74 IPL. So can I split these? New window, it's easier. I'll do that. Go on, get out of it. It's different. That Michael's house, what's that? So I just want to compare it against these like props things or things I've seen on there. Make sure nothing matches what I'm seeing. Oh, that's a bit different. That's right. So there's got to be something in there for the car dealer. So where FX? Don't think it's out. No. No, it won't be stream. I would have thought it'd be client, wouldn't it? See what I was. Right. Wait. So I'm seeing there we've got Clucking Ballet. I'm not seeing that listed there. Listed on the left. Fin Bank. What's that? See, these what I'm seeing here on the right are all listed somewhere in these files, but I can't remember where the heck they are, or where it is I think I've seen them. It could be... It's the Kano Island, that's where it is, something where it just for that, that's where it is I'm probably thinking of. Check the it, no. Definitely nothing on there, so you have to... So you got GTA stream, no. So this is the one most for the premium deluxe motor shop, motor thing it is somewhere. So what have we got? Michael, Matt, Simon, Frankie, Floyd, Trevor. This hospital, so that will need to be set to false because pillbox, I think it's the Gabs one, so put that to false. Or can you just comment? I think you can just comment it out. Is it? Yeah, it is, isn't it? You can do... Yeah, there's that, isn't there? That's it. Zach Gates, that's the gates at the army place. Ammunition, Leicester factory, cargo, UFO, red carpet, apartments, no. Apartments, carrier, yacht, apartments, plate, finance, biker. I know where them, what they are. Import garage, what's that? Import CEO garage. Maze back, vehicle warehouse. Doomsday, after hours, KO Pierce, KO. Oh, it's the KO Pierce on that thing at the club. Build number tuner garage, meth lab, not it. Security garage off, no. Yeah, one of those will be something for the car dealer. Criminal drugs club, chop shop, some buggy. Oh, it's not there, is it? Well, something loads it in because in the game you can't go into the car dealer, if I remember that. Single player. No, if you can't. Okay. After hours, Doomsday, Gun High Style Life. Shoot. There's one way I can find out if it is anything in this watch it. Is if I take out the Bob 74 IPL, put that on my desktop for time being. Where are you? That's funny. It was saying it's already there on my desktop. So what to do is delete from the folder there. Then what I'll do, restart the server and see if anything's happening by that card. If it is, and I know it's the Y map's no longer compatible with the updated game. I'm afraid that's something that does happen quite a lot. Remember, if you do buy the Gabs current one and and you've got the shops on the KO Island, the KO shops, who it is, the Gabs shops or something interferes with the collision things, and there's nothing you can do about it. You've got to pick and choose. Because I did ask him if he would adjust that to things, and he wouldn't. And that's why I had a bit of a fallout with him and the admins, like ages ago. Buy all the products, pick and choose. You watch it. What? Oh. So what is running that? What's going on? What? See, I can see. Another way I can test this. Go back into the folder. So we know it's not the Bob 74 RPL, so that can go back. So what we need to do is go into the server CFG. I'm going to stop everything from running apart from something in the test folder. What I'll do is I'll go. That's one way I can find out incompatibilities, RPLs. So what we'll do is we'll go into custom content, we'll go to Y maps, Gabs Y maps, so the Gabs, it's the PDM, isn't it? Copy. So we drop that into the test folder and see what's happening. So only the other one should start. So what we do is we go to restart. What's that? Oh, so you got, if you've got more than one folder, it'll tell you Gabs exists in more than one place. Already know where it's there. That's just so I can see what's happening. Right, so we go back into FiveM. Eventually within the videos I will show you like moving, you know, markers and locations and things like that, which that's, but at first I've got to sort out a lot of the things with the Y maps. That's what I hear. I'll tell you what we'll do. What? I'll tell you. I'll come out and watch it. I'll clear the cache. I never something I've forgotten to do. Right. Yeah, delete all that, and then reboot. I just got to wait for something different. Yeah, It's completed. What are we doing? No. What is... It's, just try to remember, is there something else? I'm trying to remember the games. It looks like it's all become like incompatible, which is a bit of a pain really. So what to do, couch here, refresh, we go to resource, custom content, alignments, open. No, not that the one, is it? So we need cabs. No, that wasn't cabs. Oh, no, that's cabs. I don't think it's PD props. I don't think it's map data, is it? I'm trying to remember map data. What on the paid? Is that? I try to remember when you used to have the subscription ages ago. Did the map data have to start up first, or that's a difficult one. Remember? Because what's in that map data? Car. All right, car showroom. One way to find out. So we stop the server. What was that? I know they exist and more than one. It keeps telling me. How odd. Let me do a look. See what the interiors are doing. Yeah, see it. That's loading. So what? Right then. So something's. Oh, yeah. You see there, you can see getting something to your walls. Yeah, see, I can't get the. What? I won't be able to get that. See, so whatever's there, it's the main one is overriding still there. Another way to solve this. See, it could be those IPLs, which. If I try and remember, I had this problem last time. I'm pretty sure I did. With something, it turned out to be something within the QBCore. So what I want to do, unravel it's the car deal, that's what I want to look at. It should be QBCore deal. Not called car dealer. What's it called? Forgotten. Vehicle sales, is it? Vehicle shop. I want to make sure there's nothing. No, just play. No, don't see any IPL running there. Another way to find out, isn't there? Which I'll have to do. Completely stop all the main framework from running. So now we're going to need the few that were running before, so we're going to stop the framework from running. So it'll load as a normal, and all to be is test content running. I just want to find out what the heck's going on there. Because I've got to make sure it is an incompatibility, make sure there's nothing, no conflicting or anything. Because when I used to go on during some roleplay servers, you'd have a hell of a lot of stuff conflict. How can of course I won't have the admin, will I? Oh. Of course, I forget about that, the player mode, no clip of. I'll keep it away from that. Why there's no framework? Like the army will be like charging after like bulldogs in a China shop. Right, where is it? Where it is? There. Oh. So, something in the framework is loading. Don't know if you can see that. So, what is it? The IPLs that are doing that? I don't like that glass. The glass looks a bit odd. Is it supposed to be that cool, or is it just yeah, so that seems to be alright. Well, it seems to be normal. Where'd that car come from? And that car, where'd that one just come from? It just God's placing the cars in. Like a mad lanky gut. Right then.
How you doing?
Now, if I remember, if you try to use the hub with this car dealer, so and you get it puts yeah. To try to explain what the hub does, you have something. If when the direction where it's facing now, look at that building. It's directly ahead with a red colour, something Vopid or Vopid. That won't be there. You get some kind of like hub. And then you'll also get where this Chihuahua hot dogs or whatever they are, Chihuahua, there it is. You get Benny's Garage, but, or is it further up? Or is it this one? I can't remember. If it's here. It's one of the two. Where you get a bit like Benny's Garage, but the problem is with the hub, it won't. You get all the things in the way, so the conflict, shut up. Everything conflicts in the way. So you won't be getting the game sound direct, you're getting it through the mic, so I don't know if it'll sound normal what it does, so I've done it like that to stop the echo. So we now know that problems it, and it's a bit of a street garage, isn't it? I prefer something better than this. There was a white coloured one I used to have, but I've lost, like a real good one, but I've lost that. I think that went incompatible. I don't know if there's anything online, but if I do a search, it's liable to bring up the leak ones. I don't want those, because this Gabs one, it's, I don't know, it's not bad, but it's a bit. See, inside it looks alright. It's just external, it looks a bit like it does. See, whether or not with the glass thing itself that's an incompatibility mode, I don't know, or I haven't got a clue. But well, you can jump one way find that. See, with this glass, it might just be was it metal? I haven't got a clue. See, but the texture's there. See, look at the texture. As you're going slope, that means there's some kind of incompatibility or something's not working the way it should. So why I've just noticed something there. Why have you got a bloody post going through the, that's a bit shite, it's shite, that's all I can say. Don't mean swear, but I'll say it again, it's shite. I don't like it at all, it's crap. Absolutely hate it. It's gone, the compatibility's gone all funny. That, you know, it's because of changes within the game itself. Remember, There's a lot of some very old Y maps I used to have that I've got rid of because I just can't use them anymore. They're completely incompatible. That the textures go all over the place and everything else, so that's why I've had to abandon them. So what we'll do, I'm going to need that running, so what we'll do is go into there. So what we'll do is go to resource, actually close that down. Custom content, test content, yeah, be going, you're crapper. The other stuff I've got is it's working okay for the moment. I've had no problems. So I want to go. Well, we now get Y maps grabs. There's some stuff I'm still testing. Some stuff will be left in. A lot of stuff is just going to be gone. I've yet to work out where the hell that is there. Because the IPLs really don't. Yeah, they are putting. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that one of the IPLs is the showroom. Stop the server. So what I'm going to do is have a look for what's it now? It's Premium Deluxe. What's that? Yeah, that's an old post there. No, don't want to be going on there because that's who is it? Vaj? Is that it's a leak thing, isn't it, Vaj? Don't go on there. What's that? Is that the so you've got to watch. Some people say they're free, then you click on the thing and you've got to buy something with it to make it work, or sneak it outside. We have a look on 5 mods. What's we got? What, I don't. What's that? I don't know what that is. That's not what I thought it was. Let me tell you, I'll look on Gabs. Have a look at what that deal should supposed to look like, or see what is updated maps. Yeah. So what's that? Those with shops on. That's the one. It interferes. Benny's. That's Benny's, is it? Big shot. That's the ammunition. I haven't used that for. Never used that. I did with his. Was it the subscription? What is the subscription? Is it still? Still what it is? All right. See, most of that stuff, it's not be of no use to that for me. Valencia Bolingbroke Prison. Fire station, that's something I used to have, an old one, that became incompatible. Haters. Lost MC, that's a loss. Alice, where is that? Alice Customs. I can't remember where the hell. Oh, that's it. I can see it, the building. It's there on the bottom right. I know where that is. Mission Row. Yeah, that Otto's Palito Bank. Plato Bank, have I got that? No. No, not something I really need. Not unless you've got scripts, for proper script for a bank robbery. You used to have a good one, but I haven't got that no more. Popstar appears. There's a lot of stuff there. Don't even need that's the premium deluxe, isn't it? That's it. I can't. What's it supposed to look like? Let's see what this trailer shows.
Don't let stoppage time goals ruin your bet.
You have to bear with me.
Betfair's 90-minute guarantee. If your bet is winning at 90 minutes...
Get off. Oh, I want to see the outside, that's what. Oh, it is glass. See? Yeah, so the interiors work, it's just the externals of it. What's also got to do with the thing? So it's the interior, the external bit aren't running right. There's just a problem with the external bit become a bit incompatible. It's a bit of a... I ain't paying that even though I can afford to buy all, remember, I can afford to buy all the stuff, there's no chance. You know, ain't that crazy? Pointless. What was that white coloured one I used to have? Some see the stuff I don't know if you remember. It's called. Is it called Leak? Was it called leakhub.com or something like that? I wonder if I've still got on one webplace I could, because I still have a lot of stuff. I know it probably still on my drive if they're still sharing. I ain't got a clue. So shared with me. I do not know. Let me have a look. See, it goes to show how long ago it is. That, you know, there's a lot of stuff there that I used to use from leak places, but I don't use them no more. I've got to shift them all. Leaking up, what's that? What's Marco mods? I don't even know what that is. Vest. See, wouldn't be able to use them anymore. I don't know if the car deal is still in here. It's a white colour, isn't it? Yeah, there's a lot of things there which I got from that leak up place a long time ago. That's when it first came along, but a lot of stuff wouldn't work. Time, you don't use that. I could just drive in school. Yes, so with my what? Remember that piece. I know there's folks say you shouldn't really use old leak stuff, but does it really matter? For Liberty Party, definitely caught. I haven't got them say mulching this on. So you got pillbox, God, that's all. What is it? I haven't used it for a long time. Scrapyard. Well, Leaking Up, it's called leakup.com on it, don't exist anymore. No, I've got it. No, there's a lot of stuff there. No, so you can see that it's old stuff there, and a lot of that just can't. Well, most of that you can't use. because it's like got branded. Let me try finding a premium deluxe. Let's see if I can see it. I do images. It's the one I had, if I remember, it had a upstairs part, doesn't it, if I remember? Yeah, that's something. I think that's something that's been built with Code Walker. That'll be a bit not that good. The thing is, what's going to happen to all this stuff once Grand Theft 6 comes out and 6M, I think is going to be called it. Once that appears, will FiveM be abandoned by the developers? This is things you got to think about. Rapid. Oh, yes, I know where yes, there's that the one on the right is. Yeah, I know where that is. Can't use that anymore, fortunately, because by these windows here, they changed something, didn't they, in the game, and unless the developer is edited the thing, so I got no idea if yeah, it's there. Look, so the problem you got is this area in the game has been changed, so that created a few problems. Unless you're using an old version of the game, then you'll be okay. What's that one? Paid car deal. I wonder where that is. That's a bike shop, isn't it? Something I used to use. Where's that? It's quite possible that the thing isn't available anymore. No, it's gotcha. That was the one. I can see it. This is what I normally just look for. I mean, that was it. That's the one I had. But I don't know. Should I pay for it again? Yeah, wouldn't. Yeah, so wouldn't trust this little git. So that was. Yeah, I could tell was upstairs. That was the one that I used to have. So you've got to be careful with these websites. They're fake. What's it called? Autumn. Oh, platinum cars. Let's make a note of that. platinum cars. Yeah, and when you do get conflicts, one way to find out is you see the textures flashing and flickering and God knows what with everything. You have to watch for that. Yeah, so there's like an awful lot of stuff like I mentioned everything I can't use. See, this is just like when I'm demonstrating what's what. I think so. When I do more live streams, I'll be adding different things, moving stuff about, the more complex stuff. This is how you can see what I have to do behind the scenes and everything else. Can't remember what yeah, no pixel inbound, no inbound. Hazel, oh, Sandy Clinic, Sandy Cloth, Sandy PD of those. It's stuff I've had. It's been old things when you've talked to a lot of people now before. People that gave me like a lot of stuff and they've kept hold of it. It's sort of, it's working, but some of the textures are a bit flickering now and again. It's things I've got to watch. Some stuff will be kept in the server, some stuff will not. Primo, what's that? Primo Legion, that's, yeah, that's the car part thing, it's on Legion with Starbucks, yeah, so I can't use that, because it's Starbucks, isn't it? It's got their logos, you can't have branded stuff in the game. That can go. No, East Coast, that's got, no, those have got no branded on. Flame. Make sure, no pixel. No. What's that? No, they did, it's like a debadge part. Test, no, no, nothing in scripts as yet. There will be, but I've got to remember there's a lot of old scripts that may not work. It's just stuff I'm looking for, open source where communities are working on. That's what I'm after, not because the problem is in the past when I used to buy stuff, the developers would take a long time contacting you, like over a week, and it was frustrating because you're like, when I was running a roleplay server with another fella, you know, people what were joining, they're asking where the stuff is, things weren't working, and you're dependent on that developer to get back to you and help you. And because they weren't, you couldn't do anything, and you'd lose people over that. So it caused a lot of conflict. And also, when it was running a server, people making small donations, helping with with things. So they were wanting to know why stuff isn't working when you paid. You start to get accused of like nicking stuff and all that. And it's like, no. It's the developers. And you got so the main stuff has come from TEDx, yes, but I don't know what the other site is. But the stuff of it will never work. So I think I'll end this thing here. So on my next few videos, I'll be different things will change, but I've got to sort out all these wiremaps to make sure a lot of things are, because I've only been checking if I've been busy with other things, so I've got to check to make sure they are conflicting. If there's too many, your textures and everything breaks up around Legion Square, or that will happen on some servers because they just chuck everything in and don't check. It doesn't work like that. You've got to double check everything. So if you're happy with this video, click well, don't click happy, do you? Click like. If you want to see more, click subscribe, and I'll be back with another video soon. So see you all soon. Goodbye.